I put a gun against his head, pulled my trigger, now he's dead. Mama, life has just begun, but now I'm gone and thrown it all away. Mama, I didn't mean to make you cry. If I'm not back again this time tomorrow, river and carry on. Nothing really matters. Oh, I love this family community. You inspire me. I appreciate you all. You know, I couldn't have done it without you all. It's too late. My time has come. Sends shivers down my spine. Body's aching all the time. Goodbye, everybody. I'm proud to go. We'll leave it all behind and face this truth. Mama, I don't wanna die. I sometimes wish I never was born at all. Oh yes, that is Rhapsody from Songs of Anarchy, Volume 4, because you know we hashtag some bitch Color Tuesday forevermore, because it's a part of my heart and soul just like you are. Ellie, Sammy, appreciate you. Candace, Carol, Maria, awesome family community from the bottom of my heart. I love you all and I appreciate you all, and hopefully you're having a wonderful, beautiful, magical, charming evening no matter where you're at in this world, because I appreciate Maria sending you big giant warm hugs. Tanya, thank you. Ellen, love ya.